Hey. What did I write wrong? Like a flat. What's it? Crack. What the matter? Hey! Bye. We are coming. My can't tell us. I'm glad you're we are cute. It's cute. Oh, nice. You are very handsome. Now, young boy.
Oh, my father,
sir. Oh, Debbie, another meal. Oh,
maybe it's here,
sir. I meant to okay. How many minutes?
5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes. I'm waiting, Dodo. Okay. Mate, I'm a child. Wait. Hey, boy, Bessie. And get one day. Oh, pussy. Now, and you're not going to what? I'll call no quack. I don't know. Watch us. Watch out, Doctor Debbie. Okay, them 5 minutes. If you are sitting there, Mitchell, when you pound one throw. Debbie, watch out, Doctor. Obia, who's it? 5 minutes back. I feel you. What was that? Tell me the car got from Miss Subine. Some, or back. We can't throw.
Hey, shame you.
Debbie, no. I don't know why. Just minimum now. We are so well, catch some fun could do any. Then, and no credit, yeah. I debut. I could have some wooden name for what? Debbie, who buy it? Menu Cassasianum Cachoset. Mpesem blazing now so any mouth 5 minutes. Oh, Fadiaba. I feel who bet na anuma. Who's that? I to I am here. Was my can you I could say. I can hear me Bunbo. What? I am here, pa. I am here. Miss Made you way out, pa. Son is saying, South like it away a whooping who cracked so we could be there. Oh, there be. I am some. There be some. On Saturday, who never before. I was at what kind of crayfish? Who was all who shall say? You pay us here, one. I know, hey, Togo Addy. I know, my bang. Huh? My cat was said. I want to say, I don't know. Where's that? We don't trust on that. Young cock. You trust on that. So I do. I don't know. Brace in the same money 5 minutes. They say, I am. Oh, and young. Eh, see me. Fanny blazing. You can't say, I'll say, what? Wow, like it 2 weeks. And watch snow. When you call, hey, brown woman. Ah, hey, Brad. Ah, let me almost have much let me say. Oh, Debbie. See, that go, ta, boom. What? Who dribble? What can hold you? That be a crack to it. And you may go to book. I didn't tell you. Woman blazing me on what to do when you was happy. Why a brimmer? Why a brimmer? Biam flower. Oh, shame on two. Oh, woman blazing me. Stena, see,